Hello, so I'm gonna do a trade breakdown on how I caught this beautiful sell. So if this is what you want to see, then you should stick around till the end of the video. They trade the market. I trade my namesake. My name is Gold. I'm not just a trader, but a trader who trades only on namesake, gold on gold. So let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all, I noticed that price was reacting from here, here. Price was reacting from here, which is also an area of interest. And then I noticed that price printed 4 hours FVG, and we have this daily FVG that I wanted price to go tap into this particular daily FVG. I wanted price to go tap into. So that was also what made me to sell to take out this low so that price could tap into the daily FVG. So since we had the daily FVG below this guy, I wanted price to come. I was sure that price would take out this guy, and then we printed 4 hours FVG. But I can't just use the 4 hours FVG like that and go blindly. So I went to my 15 minutes, which is my entry time frame. And then I looked at this. If you're not following my if you're not following my 2026 bootcamp video, then you should, because you will learn one or two from there. So right here, what I noticed was that this candle here, I think it's more obvious on the 1 hour. Let me use 1 hour here. So this candle, it took out this guy and it took out this guy. Like it took out this guy and then it took out this guy. Took out this guy and then it took out this guy, yeah. So with this 1 hour FVG also overlapping with those multiple breaks of structure, yeah. So I just knew that, and then now look at this leg. Look at this leg. When we're talking about POIs, okay. When we are talking about POIs in my bootcamp video, I told you I gave you a fifth rule for picking POIs. You can see this leg. There's literally no liquidity. So I knew that in this 1 hour, price is going to use this guy because I know a lot of people will be selling from here. So I knew that price is going to use this guy to engineer liquidity for a POI here. But I just knew that price, as we pick our breaker, I know that price will not come here. I knew that price will not come here. So I had to go to 15 minutes time frame to look for an entry that is closer. So immediately I saw this guy. I saw this guy right here. I knew that this was what price was going to use. I knew that because I know that price will not come lower to these areas. So price will use this guy, use this one to engineer liquidity, and then use this guy to sell. Just like I gave you in the fifth rule for picking POI. If you've not watched that video, please make sure you watch that video. Make sure you watch that video. So just as I predicted, this guy was used to engineer liquidity. You can see there was sell reaction there, and then it tapped into our POI. And then immediately it tapped into the POI. That was how I got the first sell. And you already know where my sale was, just at the week of this guy, because this guy's week is small, so we're using this guy to just at the top of the week of that guy. Then targeting the next low, targeting this low, which gives us a tap into the daily average. I think this was 6.6. So 6.6 risk to reward. Anyways, so after that, I think I now saw that price has printed this 15 minutes FVG. Yeah, let's move this to one side. I saw that price printed 15 minutes FVG. If you also watch those videos, you know I told you that we use FVGs for confirmation entry. Yeah. So I took this confirmation entry. Basically, all this thing that I'm doing now basically taught you in my bootcamp, and it's free it's on YouTube. So it's not like you need to pay to watch it. Anyways, so I think this was 5.22. Oh god, it seems like I'm missing something, but this was 5.22. It was in the middle. This was definitely 5.22, and the answer was just, yeah, I think it's around here, 5.22 exactly. So I covered the high, sha, I don't know, but I do know that I covered the high. So it was 5.22 trade. So this was how I caught this sell. I almost thought I lost this one, but nah, price just moved aggressively. I also wanted to catch this one, but I saw this. I felt like price will not respect it, and so I was using this guy. But eventually, price respected this guy. You already saw it again. This is multiple break. This is one second break. So that means that this level is a very strong level, and we already have our liquidity here. So I wanted to use this guy, but price didn't come into it. Instead, I used this guy. So that was why I didn't catch the third sell. But in all, you can see this was what made me to catch these two cells. So I hope you learned something from it. This was a clean over 11 hour, over 11 hours. So yeah, I hope you learned something. All right, you're welcome. I'll do more videos like this. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more videos like this. It will help you to understand better the bootcamp that we're currently um doing here. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.